colors fill my head, a million dreams keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be.
All right, we are going to hold our ribbon wands behind our back, kind of hide them away for a moment, and you're going to want to make sure your right arm is free so that you can do those dramatic motions. It's going to start off with Todd doing some ribbon wand freestyle. So we're going to follow our eyes together.
For me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home.
This is the pre-chorus, so we're going to do some step touches.
They can say you've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy.
Get your ribbon wand in your right hand. And here's the chorus. 8 small circles.
The brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me away.
Small circles should go from right to left.
Could be a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take.
Circle in front.
For the world we're gonna make.
And then our figure 8.
There's a house.
We're going to follow Mr. Weber again and shake wherever he goes. We're going to follow with the tip of our wand. And then we'll put it down.
Special things I compile, each one there to make you smile. On a rain.
And now we go rainbow from the right all the way to the left. And when we do our step touches the second time, we're adding our ribbon wands into it.
They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we desire.
Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head, a million dreams keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
However small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams.
Really move. Maybe go over to your class.
You may be right, you may be wrong, to say that you're crazy alone. To the world you see, to the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes.
Make your way back to your spot. Do the rainbow again. All the way through our lines.
A million dreams are keeping me.
A million dreams, a million dreams. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
For the world we're gonna make.
And down. And we'll end at the top. And take a bow. Yay! Yes, thank you, Miss V. Sometimes sometimes when you're trying to learn a song, it's helpful to look for patterns. And this song does have patterns, so I thought I would point it out as quickly as I could. The song starts with a verse, and in our situation, we always have a soloist come out, and there's some drama during the verse, which leads us right into our pre-chorus. Our pre-chorus always has step touches, and it's the part of the song where they sing, they can say, it all sounds crazy. We keep step touching for quite some time, but that leads us to our actual chorus, where we have 8 circles going from right to left, and then 4 large circles, and the chorus starts with, every night I lie in bed. And that part does get repeated again, so we do 8 circles again and 4 large circles. This leads us to our post-chorus. And our post-chorus are those small center circles right in front of our body. When we're done with that, we do the figure eights, but we only do the figure eights one time because it's transitioning us to the verse again. So we actually repeat this whole thing one more time. The soloist comes out, there's a few more smaller movements, and then we have our pre-chorus where we do our step touches again. The second time through, though, we do those big arches over our head with the ribbon wands for the step touch part. Goes into the chorus, repeating the 8 circles and the 4 large circles, and going back to the post-chorus where we have our circles right in front of our body again. This time we don't do the figure eights because we move right on into the bridge. This is signified in this particular song. You'll hear the female start singing, and that is when we do our freestyle movements and our improv and move around and all of that good stuff. After the bridge, we have the chorus coming back again, but I'm calling it a modified chorus because it's a little different, because it's starting with a rainbow. A rainbow is basically just the wave going from right to left, where each person does that big arc with their ribbon wand, but you see it does follow the chorus kind of pattern and repetition as you get going after that rainbow. From there, we have the big finale. You'll notice that the volume gets louder and the singing increases, and that's when we're doing our lassos over our head. And then there's a dramatic ending where the music gets quieter, and that's where we're doing our snakes. We start at the bottom, we zigzag up, and then we zigzag back down, and then we finish with our wands up high for our final bow. I have no idea if this is going to help somebody, but if it does, great. If it doesn't, just do the best you can. All right, let's have fun. That's the main thing.